Hey yo web traveler, today it's a chainsaw man time. Let's go. This bag looks freaking amazing, just look at that. So how you been, fellow travelers? I hope you've been well. There's a lot of crap happening in the world. I hope that all of you are alright. We see less and less scrappy boxes, because I like those. I don't throw away those boxes. And I hope the cards are also good. Probably they're thick, so there's also that. Only 10 packs, not a lot to go off, but I hope the cards will be epic. Made in China, yeah, that much I already did know. Ooh, opening smooth like butter, I like it. Alright, they're definitely thick. Some are more thicker than others. Ultra rare, god damn, that's an ultra rare. Let's see the back first. Alright, nice back. So this pattern comes back again from the back. That's a lame joke. And we have an SSR. Alright, so they are like in different order. They start with most epic card and then we go down downgrade. Alright, a different back, different colors. That is an SSR, I can see that. Yes. Is this the same chick? Yeah, that's the same chick, alright. I haven't read the manga, I only saw the anime, and obviously Chainsaw Man is amazing anime. One may say it's overhyped, but I don't think so. I think there are more better examples of overhyped animes. What do we have here? We have Makima, goddamn girl. Okay, an ultra rare is the first trap. We see that, that's really good. Not gonna lie, I like those ultra rares. What can I say? I'm a simple man. Okay, so maybe Seipei isn't the best hit, because I have the second one and the gang is going through the drive-thru. I like that very much. 2 packs in and I don't know, man, the cards are pretty nice. I really like them. I still don't really like the thick cards, but when they are executed good, I'm like, okay, whatever, like I take it. It's when they're, ooh, that's other color at the back, a new rarity, interesting. That's when they make the thick cards and then the execution is like meh, then I'm like really hating it. It's 2 things I really don't like coming together. Okay, an SSR is a man. Okay, we go to the power ultra rare, let's go, but those are way too big, man. Haven't you seen the anime, the canon? God damn, okay. Now, new for the special card. It's also thick like Seipei. What do we have? An Espei Denji. It's not only Denji on there, but okay. Nice. Why does it say Reese? Because here also said Reese. I think you got some error, man. That ain't Reese. At least I don't think so. Okay. It's also Reese. Or Reze. I don't know how to say her name. Man, the shine is actually very cool. Come on, focus. Thank you. I really love it. The execution is great. And we have a Seipei again. The gang is eating some shit like that. But these cards are actually good. Like, there's a lot to see, a lot to discuss. So that's interesting. That's nice. Oh, oopsie. And we have Mitaka Asa. I believe I've already seen her name somewhere else. Yeah, I had already an SSR with her. But in the other execution. So, okay. Are there that little characters in Chainsaw Man that I get like still the same ones? Although I already encountered this kind of problem, but reverse in other boxes when it's like an anime and then you get all the like very boring not imported characters as the cards and it's just like, it's shit. I rather have this when you get like the characters you know and love a few times, at least a different variation of them, right? And different execution, then I get like a wide range of characters that I don't fucking care about. So yeah, you did good, box, and this part you did good. God damn, son! That's an ultra rare to behold. Man, those ultra rares are fucking amazing. Okay. What do we have here? Oh, the gang is shopping. Alright. So the old man I don't know if it is his name. I think they messed up somewhere the names, and I don't remember the names like always. Whew. I mean, how could I after seeing those cards? God damn, Denji, you unlucky bastard. And we have the Gengen. Alright, with Pachita, that's cute. This one is freaking thick. Ooh, it's the other color. So maybe it's a ultra special one. Who knows? Who knows? Oh, that's cute. That's freaking cute. Oh my god. I wish she was looking always like this. Damn, girl. Oh. Okay, that's her pack apparently. That's the first double also, which is not that great, but if I don't get any more doubles, it would be alright, because, you know, it's bound to happen. Okay, first of all, it's a little bit bent, which is stupid for a thick card, I guess. But let's see. Alright, holy shit, this one looks awesome, and a little bit damage also. God damn, why on the high rarity cards? But nonetheless, I really love it. Oh my god, I love it. Okay, this card is freaking epic. An extra thick card. I mean, now maybe you can understand why I wasn't hyped about this card that much if you compare them. Like, this one is so much better and interesting. I don't think we can get any more hits. I think the last 3 packs will contain just a Seipei, but we will see. We will see. Maybe there's some luck. Okay, we haven't seen enough of Kobeni, so let's go. I like it. I love it. Very good, ultra rare of double, an ultra rare double. Sadly, I would like to see more sexy girls. Or maybe, how about there's also sexy boys in there? Like, why are you only making an ultra rare of girls? Come on, man, we want to see Denji and the other guy like half naked. Fuck yeah. Oh, they're playing board games. Yeah, boy, we got the Denji-kun. Look at him with the Pachita. You can barely see him, but he is there. Cool, I like it. What do we have here? A double ultra rare. Alright. I think there are not that much ultra rares in this box. And we have a Seipei. Let's pack, ladies and gentlemen. And probably it's just a Seipei at the back, yes. But it doesn't matter. Let's see what we get. We get Iminu. Alright. I've seen enough of her, but I haven't seen enough of her apparently, but it's also a double. And, well, okay. Cute. Very cute. Let me know in the comments what you think of it, because, man, I actually enjoyed it. So far, I opened a few thick cards boxes, and there are probably 3 of them that I did really enjoy, and this is the third one. Like, this one I definitely enjoyed. My only complaint, just a little complaint, is about the ultra rares, because I got like 3 or 4 doubles, which are the only doubles that I got. Guys, thank you for watching. You're a freaking legend if you watch till the end. Like a goddamn son or daughter, whatever you prefer, something in between. We can get it, no problem. Okay, I see you in the other one. Bye.